Hello students, good morning to all of you, the students of class 10. Yesterday in physics I taught you regarding power rating of electric devices and the unit of electric energy. But very hastily within 15 minutes I had to complete both the topic. So I think perhaps you could not properly understood the unit of electric energy. So once again I would like to explain today. Unit of electric energy. What is this unit of electric energy? You know, the electric energy consumed in a circuit is measured in kilowatt hour. Electrical energy consumed in a circuit is measured in kilowatt hour or BOTU. BOTU full form is Board of Trade Unit. Board of Trade Unit. And this Board of Trade Unit is also termed as a unit of electric energy. Unit of electric energy. Now, 1 kilowatt, this kilowatt hour, this 1 kilowatt hour, what is 1 kilowatt hour? 1 kilowatt hour is defined as the amount of electric energy consumed when a device, any sorts of device, it may be a heater, it may be a electric bulb or any sorts of electrical gadget. When a device of power of 1 kilowatt, the device of power of 1 kilowatt is used for time 1 hour. And that is known as 1 kilowatt hour. 1 kilowatt hour. I repeat again, 1 kilowatt hour is defined as the amount of electric energy consumed when a device of power of 1 kilowatt is used for 1 hour, and that is known as kilowatt hour. Here, kilowatt hour, it is related to joule. As you have already studied regarding joule. What is joule? I would like to remind you. J or joule. J defined as J. Here they have written J. J is called Joule's mechanical equivalent of heat. Mechanical equivalent of heat. So here I have written here J. It is the mechanical equivalent of heat. So kilowatt hour is related to joule. As stated below, 1 kilowatt. This is 1 kilo hour is equal to 1 kilowatt into 1 hour. Just now I explained, when a device of power of 1 kilowatt is used for 1 hour. So 1 kilowatt into 1 hour is equal to 1 kilowatt, that is 1000 watt. As we know, 1000 gram is equal to 1 kilogram, like that 1 kilowatt is equivalent to 1000 watt into 1 hour, that is 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour, and 60 seconds is equal to 1 minute. So 60 into 60. Here again we have written 1000, this W, that is joule per second. Joule per second, 1000 joule per second into 60 into 60, 3600 seconds. So we can write here it is 3 into 6 into 10 to the power 6 joule. How? And if we multiply this 3600 with 1000, what do we get? 3, 6 and 50. 3, 6 and 50. But if we put here one decimal, 10 will be extended. So obviously 3.6 into 10 to the power 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3.6 into 10 to the power 6 joule. Now, what is the procedure to find out the cost of whatever energy consumed by an electric device? This is the procedure I have written here. Just to calculate this electric energy consumed by a device, first calculate the total power in watt. Second, convert watt into kilowatt. How? By dividing by 1000. As kilowatt will be converted from watt to kilowatt by dividing 1000. And next, the third stage, kilowatt is multiplied by time, and that time should not be second, rather it is hour, because kilowatt hour. Because kilowatt hour is equivalent to unit. Kilowatt hour, that is unit, to be multiplied by the cost of 1 unit of electric energy. So ultimately, we can express this as stated below. Total cost, whatever cost of the energy which we have to pay as we use various types of domestic electric fan, electric light, heater, and different types of electric gadgets. So throughout the month, what is the cost of that power? Do we consume, energy consumed? So this is the formula. Total cost we have to pay power into time, and power is written here in the form of W into time, that is H, divided by 1000 into cost of 1 unit. This is the formula to find out the total cost. Now the next topic is electric fuse, and this is the last topic of this chapter, my dear students. Very easy. What is electric fuse? Sometimes whatever domestic gadgets we use, when there is short circuit, we easily can repair the fuse. Now, what is fuse? Electric fuse is a short length of easily fusible where it is put into electrical circuit for protection purpose. So the electric fuse used for protection purpose. What protection? Which protection? It is the protection of the electrical devices. Again I repeat, electric fuse is a short length of easily fusible where put into electrical circuit for protection purpose. Where it is fitted or it is arranged to melt or blow at a definite current. A particular ampere of current flows through the circuit, and different devices require different current. A fuse is made up of alloy, mainly the constituent metal, the lead and tin. 37% of lead and 63% tin are the constituent metal to make a fuse wire, and it has high resistivity but low melting point. it has high resistivity but low melting point. So that if the safe current exceeds, so that the fuse should be melted, and obviously the electrical gadgets will be saved from damage. As soon as the safe current, the very important term, the safe current, as soon as the safe current exceeds, the fuse blow and electric circuit is cut off, and the fuses used for domestic purpose are rated 1 ampere, 2 ampere, 3 ampere, 5 ampere, 10 ampere, and so on. And as you know that the unit of electric current is ampere. For example, for an electric iron which consumes 1 kilowatt electric power, one electric iron consumes 1 kilowatt electric power. When operated at 220 volt, a current of 1000 by 220, that is power by volt, I is equal to current flow, I is equal to power by volt. What is the power of the electric iron? It is 1000. And the volt, it is 220. So cancelling 0, 0, 11 and 55. So divide 55 by 11. No, it is 50. 50 by 11. 4, 11, 44, 6, decimal 0, 5, 11, 55, remainder 5. So 4.5 ampere. Just see, 1000 divided by 220 is equal to 4.5 ampere will flow in this circuit. In this case, what type of fuse should be used? Since 4.5 ampere current flows through the circuit, to work properly with the help of that electric iron, so a fuse of 5 ampere should be used, must be used. 5 ampere fuse must be used. And what is fuse rating? Ultimately, get the fuse rating. The fuse rating is maximum safe current permitted to flow in a fuse before it blow off. Why? Because it is such a material that saves the electrical device from damage. So in this way, this is electric fuse. And what is its advantage? Its advantage is to save the electrical devices from damage. You must remember what is fuse rating. Fuse rating is maximum safe current. Safe current, what is the safe current? As soon as the safe current exceeds and the fuse blow and the electric circuit is cut off. So that the fuse rating is maximum safe current permitted to flow in the circuit, so that the fuse before it blow off. So obviously the electrical gadget will be saved from damage. So this is electric fuse, and I have written here 1000 by 220. What is it? It is I, that is electric current, and you have already studied that electric current can be calculated if we know the power of the device and the voltage. So commonly in India it is 220 or 230 volt, but in USA and Canada, it is 110. So we have power of the electric iron 1000 and the volt 220. Obviously you get it 4.5.